In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid highway tolls in Google Maps settings. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap Settings, then select Navigation Settings. Scroll down until you find the Route Options section. From there, enable the option to avoid toll roads. This tells Google Maps to prioritize routes that do not include toll roads whenever possible. After turning on this setting, return to the main map screen and enter your destination as usual. When you request driving directions, Google Maps will automatically try to find routes that avoid tolls. You can also double-check your route before starting navigation to compare travel times and make sure the toll-free option fits your schedule. This is useful if you want to save money on frequent trips or daily commutes. Keep in mind that toll-free routes may be longer or take more time depending on traffic conditions and the roads available in your area. And that's it! You now know how to avoid highway tolls in Google Maps settings. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.